Mema Obibi Akwaba Eba GVC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm Brem. Former President John Dramani Mahama watutu bi amani Akufo Addo na wade nsembia tuga muma yinti ensema Mahama edituga mayinti no
competent Mahama administration omo kan na etete me nti me yi omo ano chom se hwe montena omampanya akonja no so da enti munnim se na etitie me se edwuma no ennafo enti obia eboa edidru baby no obia beje no de ato aso o say
you are watching GC News on YouTube.
Incompetent Mahama, incompetent so omoka bronikasa it's about incompetent Mahama administration. When we come, we'll give you one district, one factory. And ya brofun kwa no mo ka slangs o mo. Ye ka twimpo e ka slangs. Ghana ye ya mobo dodo. Ghana nye hiaman. Yet is the castle. I come there.